In question number 17, it says a rectangular area of 35 centimeters squared is formed by cutting off strips of equal width from a rectangular piece of paper. So what that means is that this inside area is going to be 35 centimeters squared, and we're trying to find out how much x we're cutting off of the length of 7 centimeters along the vertical and 9 centimeters along the horizontal. So to set this up, we need to come up with an equation for area. So area is equal to length times width. The area in this case is given to you as 35 centimeters squared, and the length is going to be a length of originally 9 centimeters, but we're going to cut off a length of x from both sides, so we're going to take off 2x, and that gives us our length. The width, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start off with 7 centimeters, and then we're going to take off a length of x from the top, length of x from the bottom, so we're going to take off 2 x's. So this then represents our equation that we can solve for x. So to do that, I'm going to expand the right hand side of this equation. So I get 63, this is negative 18, negative 14, so that's going to be negative 32x plus 4x squared, and then make this equal to 0, minus 32x, and then 63 minus 35, that's going to give us positive 28. Solving this equation, we're going to factor out the 4, and we're going to solve this one by factoring. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 7 and subtract to 8. So this is going to give us x minus 7, x minus 1. And then the solutions for this equation are going to be x is equal to 7 centimeters. Now, if x is 7 centimeters, that doesn't make sense because we are going to be losing too much length from both sides. So if we cut 7 centimeters off top and bottom, we won't have enough paper left over. So this solution doesn't work for this problem. So we end up with the other solution, x equals 1 centimeter. And if we take off 1 centimeter from the vertical, we're going to end up with 5 centimeters of width here. And if we cut off 1 centimeter from the horizontal from both sides, we're going to end up with 7 centimeters of length here. That gives us our 35 centimeters of area, and then the dimensions of the rectangle are going to end up being 5 by 7. And so the width of the strip is going to be the x value, 1 centimeter, and then the dimensions are going to be a 5 by 7 rectangle. This is solution to that is 1 centimeter strips.